Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Tech Dad. Today I'm just going to be showing you a simple way you can improve your RGB keyboard with this simple product. So this is the HyperX Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. Here's a quick unboxing of what's inside. Let's see if it has like a keycap puller, which I'm sure it has. Right on, this is what you'll get. All right, there's a keycap puller right there. I like it, guys. I'm liking it so far. So this is nice. What else do we have? Anything else inside? Nothing, just a documentation or keyboard layout. So first I'm going to show you how my current keyboard looks like with its base keycaps. So I'm using the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition TKL. So it doesn't have a number pad, so it's a small form factor. This is how it looks like. This is how I set up my keyboard. It's not the best looking profile or design, but yeah, that's how it works right now. We're gonna be changing to the new keycaps, so you'll find out if this will look good on this. Boom. Check it out, guys. So this is how it looks like with the new keycaps. So again, this is the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition TKL. So the function key and the other key right here, I forgot what it's called, doesn't fit, so I had to make do with, you know, a janky alternative. This came from the number pad keycaps of the HyperX. Since this is a TKL, I had extra keys from this. But look at that, guys. It's so much different from, you know, my initial setup. So if you want to take your RGB keyboard lighting to the next level, this is a cheap upgrade. This will make your keyboard RGB lights look even better. So again, let me show you the before image. So this was what we had, and this is what we have now. If you want to get your own HyperX Doubleshot PBT Keycaps, I'll put a link in the description box. It's available in the Philippines and it's also available on Amazon US. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day.